Hi everyone, and welcome to Selwyn, Ontario and Home Drafting and Design's Project Fifer. It looks as though the construction is proceeding well ahead of schedule. Why don't we go inside and I can show you how things have developed. Come on in. So this is the second waterfront property that I've done for this client. The original project we did was up on Snug Harbor Road. The client built something so that he could move into, and then decided that he wanted to build something a little bit larger. So we started with the original design that we did on Snug Harbor. It was a 1,300 square foot build with a single car garage. For this project, he wanted to do something that was going to have a two-bay car garage for both him and the wife to be able to park into. They also realized that with their growing family, they needed to build something that was a little bit larger. Well, it turns out we went from 1,300 square feet to 2,800 square feet. So we more than doubled this project. And then while we were in the construction process, during excavation, they dug a little bit deeper than they originally intended. So we decided to use that to our advantage. We have a beautiful shot over top of the lake. Why not do a walkout through the basement? So we did a bit more excavation. We regraded the lawn, which now allows us to have a walkout right from the basement out to the boathouse and out to the beautiful lake that's right out there. So let's take a walkthrough of this layout up here. So to start with, the clients are probably going to be using the garage as their main access point on a day-to-day basis. So they're going to come up through the garage and into this beautiful laundry room. There'll be washer and dryer off to their right, a big coat closet off to the left, and a dog bath at the end in case they need something to wash up any of their animals. Once they walk through this entrance here, it's into the big open space. So we're standing now in the kitchen. Refrigerator off to my left, island that's going to be 4x10 on my right, stove right here leading all the way up in this L-shaped kitchen to this beautiful picturesque view looking over the lake where the sink and dishwasher will be for prep. So after we leave the kitchen, it'll be hardwood hickory hand-scraped floor all the way through this massive open space. So from the kitchen, you're gonna have a view right through the dining room and into the living space. Now, this whole open area has been done open concept. It's been done with no real divisions between it. This allows us to kind of lay out the furniture however we wish. But there are a couple of key features in here. One being, on the end here, past the kitchen, will be this beautiful built-in fireplace on the far end. So you'll have a view right from the kitchen, right to this beautiful fireplace. Let's continue with this open concept feel and we'll move to our big front entrance. Now take a look at this. This thing has got to be about 12 feet wide. It's about 16 feet deep with a massive 8-foot front door. This is going to be very inviting for the people who come in here. Beautiful view for all of your guests to walk in here and have, again, a beautiful shot of this open concept area and a picturesque view over top of the water. Once we leave the front entrance, we start moving into the bedroom area. Now this is another key feature of this house. We've done some fairly large bedrooms with some beautiful windows. So even though this is facing out towards the road, we still have a beautiful view of all the forested area that's directly in front of us. We've got 1, 2 bedrooms plus a massive master. We have a shared washroom right here that's actually going to be done with a curbless shower. So the entire floor in here will be tiled right from wall to wall, and it'll look like one big open area with just a drain that allows for all the water to flow into. In the master bedroom, we walk into a massive 16 by 12 room with, again, a gorgeous view over top of the lake. There's a walk-in closet here that's almost as big as one of the bedrooms. And then, just for fun, how about a fireplace? Because who doesn't need a fireplace in their master bedroom? So there'll be a built-in fireplace right here with some cabinets again on either side that will be built in, and we'll walk into our beautiful 5-piece washroom here. So let's talk about numbers on this project. It was originally purchased for $280,000 as vacant land, which at the time was fairly expensive. However, now is a steal of a deal. The actual construction costs we're estimating with the increase in lumber costs somewhere around $450,000 with finishes. So when it's all said and done, we're a little over $900,000 all in. What does that mean for the end result? Well, this project in the current market value will probably sell for over $2 million. So great purchase by the client, great property. So if he does decide to sell down the road, he is definitely going to make back his money.